Hi, Hadley from Wheeler Motors. Thanks for your inquiry. I've had our marketing team put together a short video that's going to help you familiarise yourself with the vehicle and hopefully make that buying decision just a little bit easier. If you've got any questions, my contact details will be at the end of the video, so please don't hesitate to get in touch. Hey, thanks for your time, enjoy the video and have a great day.